These 8 fermented drinks can rebuild your gut, balance blood sugar, and cut inflammation. Here's something almost nobody tells you as you get older, and it's one of the biggest reasons so many people feel blindsided by their health later in life. Your body doesn't suddenly break one day. It slowly shifts, quietly and patiently, often starting in a place most people never think to look, let alone protect. Your gut. I've watched people do everything they were told was right. They eat reasonably well, they try to stay active, they take their prescribed medications, and they assume that if something were seriously wrong, they would feel it immediately. But instead, what happens is far more subtle. Blood pressure inches upward. Blood sugar becomes harder to control. Inflammation quietly builds. Energy fades. Mood changes. And eventually, people start asking the same question over and over again. Why do I feel worse when I'm trying harder than ever? Modern science is finally catching up to something traditional cultures understood long ago. And that is the simple but powerful truth that your gut is not just a digestive organ. It's a command center. Research now shows that the health of your gut influences your heart, your metabolism, your immune system, and even your brain through what's known as the gut-brain axis, a constant two-way communication network that determines how your body responds to stress, food, inflammation, and aging itself. Studies are showing that probiotics, those beneficial bacteria living in fermented foods, can help lower blood pressure, improve metabolic control in people with type 2 diabetes, reduce chronic inflammation, and even positively influence mental well-being. And yet, despite all of this evidence, most people are getting almost none of them. Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 probiotic-rich foods that can quietly but powerfully support your health from the inside out, and I'll explain not just what they are, but why they matter and how they fit into real life. Stay with me until the end, because the final one is the most powerful and also the most misunderstood. Number 8. Kimchi. Let's begin with kimchi, a food that may look simple on the plate but is incredibly complex once you understand what's happening inside it. Kimchi is created by fermenting vegetables, most commonly cabbage, with garlic, ginger, salt and spices, and during this fermentation process, naturally occurring bacteria multiply and transform the food into something far more powerful than raw vegetables alone. These bacteria, including strains like Lactobacillus plantarum and Lactobacillus brevis, help improve digestion, strengthen immune defenses, and calm inflammation throughout the body. What's especially interesting is that studies have shown people who regularly eat fermented kimchi experience improvements in fasting blood sugar and insulin levels, which suggests that something as simple as a side dish can meaningfully influence metabolic health. Kimchi is not just food, it's information your gut knows how to read. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is one of the most familiar probiotic foods, but its benefits depend entirely on how it's chosen and how it's eaten. Yogurt is made when specific bacteria ferment milk, converting lactose into lactic acid, which not only gives yogurt its texture and tangy taste, but also creates an environment that supports beneficial gut bacteria. Large population studies have found that people who regularly consume yogurt tend to have lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, especially when yogurt replaces more processed snacks. However, this benefit disappears when yogurt is overloaded with added sugar, which is why plain yogurt with live and active cultures is always the better choice, even if it means adding fruit yourself for flavor. Number 6. Tempeh. Tempeh is one of the most underrated probiotic foods in the modern diet, largely because many people see it only as a meat substitute and completely miss its deeper benefits. Tempeh is made by fermenting whole soybeans, which dramatically improves their digestibility while creating beneficial bacteria that support gut balance. During fermentation, compounds in soybeans become easier to absorb, protein becomes more bioavailable, and unique probiotic strains develop that have been linked not only to digestive health, but also to brain function through the gut-brain connection. Tempeh is filling, nutrient-dense, and quietly supportive of long-term heart and metabolic health, especially when eaten regularly. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is essentially fermented apple juice, and when it's raw and unfiltered, it contains beneficial bacteria along with acetic acid, which supports digestion and blood sugar regulation. When used correctly, diluted in water or incorporated into food, apple cider vinegar can help smooth out blood sugar spikes, support gut acidity, and create an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive. It's not a miracle cure, and it shouldn't be overused, but as part of a consistent routine, it can gently reinforce digestive balance over time. Number 4. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage that has been used for centuries, not just because it lasts longer, but because it makes people feel better. As cabbage ferments, natural bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid, preserving the food while also populating it with live probiotics that support immune function, nutrient absorption, and gut integrity. The key here is choosing unpasteurized sauerkraut, yet because heat destroys the very bacteria that make it beneficial in the first place. Number 3. Other fermented vegetables. Fermentation doesn't stop with cabbage. Vegetables like beets, carrots, and naturally fermented pickles provide probiotics along with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that become more bioavailable through fermentation. In many cases, fermentation actually unlocks nutrients that your body struggles to absorb from raw vegetables, making these foods easier on digestion and more efficient for overall health. Number 2. Kefir. Kefir is often compared to yogurt, but that comparison actually undersells just how different and how powerful kefir truly is, because while yogurt is fermented using a small handful of bacterial strains, the kefir is created through a much more complex and dynamic fermentation process that involves both beneficial bacteria and beneficial yeasts working together in harmony. To understand why this matters, imagine your gut like a garden. Yogurt might introduce a few helpful plants, but kefir brings in an entire ecosystem: plants, soil organisms, and pollinators, all interacting to restore balance. Kefir is traditionally made by adding kefir grains to milk, although these grains aren't grains at all. They are living clusters of bacteria and yeast that transform the milk into a probiotic-rich drink packed with diversity, sometimes containing up to 50 different strains of beneficial microorganisms, which is far more than most probiotic supplements on the market. This diversity is the real magic. Your gut doesn't thrive on one or two good bacteria. It thrives on balance, variety, and cooperation between many species, and kefir excels at providing exactly that. Because of this, kefir has been shown to be especially effective at restoring gut balance after disruptions like antibiotic use, chronic stress, poor diet, or long-term inflammation, all of which quietly damage the microbiome over time. One of the most impressive benefits of kefir is its impact on blood sugar regulation, because a healthier gut microbiome helps your body respond more efficiently to glucose, reducing spikes and crashes that strain the pancreas and increase insulin resistance. Studies also show that kefir can reduce low-grade chronic inflammation, which is a major driver behind heart disease, diabetes, joint pain, and even cognitive decline, and making it far more than just a digestive aid. And for people who believe they can't handle dairy, kefir often tells a different story because the fermentation process breaks down much of the lactose, allowing many lactose-intolerant individuals to enjoy kefir without the bloating, cramps, or discomfort they experience with regular milk. If yogurt is like daily maintenance, something steady and helpful, then kefir is more like a reset button, gently guiding your gut back toward balance, resilience, and efficiency. Number 1. Kombucha sits at number 1, not because it's trendy, but because it represents one of the most powerful intersections between digestion, metabolism, and cellular health. Kombucha is fermented tea made using a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, often called a SCOBY. And during the fermentation process, sugar is converted into organic acids, enzymes, probiotics, and antioxidant compounds that fundamentally change how your body processes inflammation and nutrients. What makes kombucha especially interesting is that it doesn't just support gut bacteria. It also supports the chemical environment of the gut, creating conditions where beneficial microbes thrive and harmful ones struggle to survive. Beyond probiotics, kombucha contains polyphenols from tea, including a powerful compound called EGCG, which has been widely studied for its ability to reduce oxidative stress, support blood vessel health, and improve the body's response to blood sugar. Oxidative stress is essentially biological rust, slowly damaging cells, blood vessels, and organs over time, and reducing it is one of the most important steps in protecting your heart and slowing visible and invisible aging. Research suggests that EGCG can slow carbohydrate digestion, reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes, and support healthier cholesterol balance, all of which are critical for metabolic and cardiovascular health. Kombucha also supports detoxification pathways in the liver, helping your body process waste products more efficiently, which indirectly reduces inflammation throughout the body. However, kombucha is also a perfect example of how you choose a food matters just as much as what you choose, because many store-bought kombucha drinks are loaded with added sugars that can completely cancel out their benefits. The key is choosing low-sugar varieties and treating kombucha as a functional beverage, not a soft drink replacement. When used wisely and consistently, kombucha can act like a daily nudge toward better gut balance, improved blood sugar response, lower inflammation, and a metabolism that works with you instead of against you. Together, kefir and kombucha represent two of the most powerful tools available for supporting gut health naturally. One rebuilding the microbiome from within, and the other shaping the environment that allows it to thrive. When you step back and look at the bigger picture, it becomes clear that digestion is not just about food moving through your body. It's about information, communication, and balance. A healthier gut means lower inflammation, better metabolic control, stronger immunity, and a body that responds more intelligently to aging. You don't need all 8 of these foods. You don't need perfection. You just need consistency. Start with 1. Let your body adjust. Then build from there. If this video helped you understand your health in a new way, take a moment to like it. Subscribe for more evidence-based guidance and let me know in the comments which of these probiotic foods you're already using or which one you plan to start with. Thank you for watching.